In this video, I'll show you how you can fix the League of Legends error code 004. Now the first thing that I suggest you do is you open up CMD, right click and run as an administrator. In here type ipconfig space /flush DNS. Press enter, then you can close it down and then try and launch again. If this still doesn't work, what I suggest you do is you try and open up the launcher. If you're using Epic Games or just the Riot client, you want to find the repair button. So go in here and League of Legends and click on the repair button. If this is available, this can help fix the issue. If it's on Epic Games, you want to click on the 3 dots at League of Legends, and then there should be a manage button or options button, and there should be a verify game files in there. Now, if this still doesn't work, you can try and set a DNS for your internet. So search for view network connections, right click on your network and properties, Internet Protocol version 4, use the following DNS, type 8888.8844. Press OK and then try and see if it works now. If it still doesn't work, the last thing that I suggest you do is you try and restart, and then you can also try and uninstall League of Legends and see if it works now. Now I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.